Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to Moral Science class. Today we will discuss chapter number 10 Ego, a destroyer of virtues. In this chapter, you will be able to learn about ego is a major voice in human character and pride brings about a person's downfall in all spheres of life. Ego is the biggest obstacle in life. Ego is very big problem and it is like a child who throws tantrum and refuses to listen to anything. Right? However, an egoistic person suffers due to his pride, the feeling that he is capable and can perform any action with success defeats him all of a sudden. So, let's start reading of the story from where you understand about the ego. One day, the wind and the sun argued over their strength. All of a sudden, a traveler passed by. The wind boasted that his strength can remove his coat. Means there is an argument between wind and the sun. Both says that I am most powerful and I have more strength than you. The sun told him to give it a try. The wind accepted the challenge and started blowing fiercely. The fiercer the wind blew, the tighter the traveler wrapped his coat. When he realized that he wouldn't be able to hold his coat anymore, he took shelter in a cave. And the wind was tired and annoyed. It was sun's turn. Now, sun showed their strength. The sun came out from behind the clouds and gave a warm smile. The man continues to his journey and he felt the warmth of the sun and started sweating. So he removed his coat and carried it with him. The sun told the wind that application of compassion and love was essential in life. Means both things are necessary and essential in life, and force should not apply to make a person perform an action. So in this way we realize that both things are essential in our life, whether it is wind or sun. In another incident, a mighty elephant was sleeping under a oak tree, and a small ant climbed on its huge ear and wondered what it was. And it started jumping from here to there. When the elephant felt thickless and started flapping its ear, the ant shouted for help as it flew in the air and landed on the forest floor with a thud. The elephant scolded him and inquired about how he dared to disturb such a mighty beast of forest. Mighty beast of the forest means such a big and large animal of the forest. The ant begged for the forgiveness and said that unknowingly he had committed that mistake and sorry for that. But the elephant was very annoyed and went on a rampage. He destroyed the ant hills of the forest, means the houses of the ant. Some of the ants were killed, but others escaped and hid in the bushes. The elephant shouted and declared that the ant community must remember that he was a mighty beast. He was the large one of the forest. right? And the ant were like bubbles of water which can be blown in an instant, and he was like the ocean which can engulf many living things easily. The ant who survived were very unhappy, and because the anthill were destroyed, one ant wanted to teach the elephant a lesson. Means ants want to take their revenge. One day, what happened, as the mighty elephant lay in the forest, it bit its trunk and ran away in a bush. And the ants repeat the action again and again. A sore development of the trunk now swollen of the elephant, right, and causes irritation. The elephant could not use its trunk to complete its daily course. So he requested God to cure him. God ordered the elephant to lay down its ego and request the ant community to forgive him. The elephant realized that size doesn't matter. Size does not determine a person's strength, but wisdom does. So, when the elephant approached the ants to forgive him, the ant who had performed this action was scolded by the adult ant for being revengeful. Then the compassionate ants ran to the forest in a row and brought a herb for the elephant, which cured him. The elephant hung his head in shame and never boasted about his strength again. So, moral of the story: ego is only requirement to destroy any relationship. So be a bigger person, skip the E from ego and let it go. Thank you.